Welcome to Bodhi Yoga Academy. This video is meant for yoga trainers and for sincere yoga sadhaks. In our academy, when we are training trainers, we have some set of rules. The first rule is that sun salutation is mandatory in the beginning of the session. 12 sets is mandatory every day. Why we have to do sun salutation? Today I want to mention. As a trainer, you should know whatever I am saying so that you can help your students. The first important benefit is if you do 12 sets of sun salutations, you can burn at least 200 calories of energy. So, for weight loss point of view, this is a very great technique. Second thing is, it improves the blood circulation and it improves your mental focus. That's why we recommend all the students, if they practice daily, they will have a focus on studies. And the amount of calories burnt in Surya Namaskara is more than swimming. And next, another benefit is your flexibility improves like anything. And after finishing sun salutation, your mind feels so relaxed. Normally, any workouts, you feel tired. Here you feel mind relaxed, body, you feel like energized because of better blood circulation. And not only that, you feel like some energy has come to you. You feel like you are becoming stronger. Yes, the sun salutation practice strengthens your body. And then, if you look at, many people are suffering with insomnia, like sleep disorder. People who practice sun salutation, they sleep very nice. 20 minutes of sun salutation practice, you will sleep like anything. I have never seen anybody, means our students, saying that I have a sleep problem. First day they say, and fifth day, sixth day they say, sir, thank you so much, sir, we are sleeping so nicely now. And sun salutation technique is a boon for diabetic patients. It reduces blood sugar levels because it activates. There is a nice massage to all internal organs, and it is a good exercise for the pancreas. We have seen a number of cases. And many people, they sit like this, or they sit like this, and they sit like this. Because of that, the shape of the body becomes slightly ugly. You watch the people who practice sun salutation, they look so nice. Body toning, many students want, sir, I want to do the toning. There is no competition for sun salutation. The best technique for improving the muscle toning. And your face will start glowing like anything. As a trainer, your face will glow. If you want to help your students, you must incorporate this in your classes. Face will start glowing. And it's very good for people who are suffering digestive disorders. You see, every 3%, 1% definitely have digestive disorders or constipation. It massages all internal organs in some asanas like Asvasanchalana, Padahastasana, Hasta Uttanasana. So very good for digestive system. Not only that, as a yoga trainer, remember, safety is critical for you, for your students. So when they do the Surya Namaskaras in the beginning, later on when they are doing advanced asanas, injuries will be minimized. Hence, my kind request to all of you, incorporate the sun salutation part of your practice and help and guide your students every day. Yes, people who are having some challenges, heart problems, blood pressure, etc., be careful. Safety is very important. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Om Namah Shivaya.